Hello, welcome back. In this demonstration, I will be providing an overview of the customization capabilities of the TotalFlow Print Server operator console. To meet the unique needs of the different customer environments, operators can adjust the layout and what is displayed to meet their needs. All of the customizations I will show you are based on the user that logs into the system. We automatically remember the configuration changes the operator made and display the screen how they want it when they log in. Let me show you some examples. For example, on this page we have active jobs, inactive jobs, invalid, stored, and job histories. Let's pretend I want to add an all jobs pod to this page. I would click the username displayed in the upper right. I would select all jobs. And in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it and drop it into the middle of this tab area. This will add a new tab to this list of tabs. If I had wanted all jobs to be a separate area, I could have easily taken that and drag and dropped it into a different location. For example, showing it to the right of active jobs. If I wanted to hide this pod, I can easily close that and it will go away. The organization of the pods can also be changed by dragging and dropping in between to increase the height and width of each particular pod. There are a number of different pods that can be added or removed from a page. Active jobs, inactive, invalid, stored, history, all jobs, printer information, and messages, and others. Let me add the printer information pod to this page. That will display a very, very small window showing the printer information as well as the toner levels. This type of customization can be performed on both the operations as well as the jobs pages. Let's say, for example, I don't need the input trays on this page. I could close that. And I could come over here and add my all jobs pod to this page. And maybe what I want to see for this list of jobs is just the jobs that have a particular status of held. So I will select the status column and I will say held, and then I will search for that. Now what this has done is filtered this to just show me the held jobs. This type of customization allows an operator to set the page up how they want, and when they log back into the system, the page will be redisplayed exactly how they set it up. In addition to pod level customization, you can also change the columns that are used. You can reorder the columns by dragging and dropping. So if I wanted to move received to the left, or maybe I want to move it all the way over here, I can do that. I can make it wider. I can also, if I want to, go in and manage the columns that are displayed. Maybe I want to see job ID and want to remove paper, and I'd like to see job ID as the first column in the list. I can reorder that, and then I will see the job ID listed over here on the left-hand side. In addition to column customization and pod customization, we also have a custom toolbar at the top. The left-hand side of the toolbar is fixed. You cannot adjust that. The right-hand side of the toolbar can be customized by going to the user menu and selecting Manage Toolbar. In this case, we're currently displaying Shutdown Control Unit, Restart Control Unit. Maybe we realize that Restart Control Unit is not required, but instead the operator wants to remove that and include a test color PDF page that they print every morning. And they want to move that to the top location in the list. And maybe they want to move Shutdown Control Unit down to the end of the list. I'll move calibration up also and turn that back on. The toolbar can also be displayed on the operations page, the jobs page, whichever you want. So I'm going to press OK and it will adjust which custom toolbars are displayed for this particular operator. Now I have calibration, the test print, and shutdown control unit displayed on this custom toolbar on the right hand side. If at any point the operator wants to reset this layout to the defaults that we ship with, they can go to the user menu and select Reset Defaults. This will reset the pods back to the original values that we shipped with out of the box. I hope this has provided an overview of the customizable capabilities that we have for the TotalFlow Print Server. Thank you for your time.